Hello people, so this is my 40th video of the day, and like I said, I'm going to speak about these different shows and programs that I watch on so that it's nice to get a heads up, right, to know that okay, this is a good program. And so Kareena Kapoor's What Women Want is like, I just like that whole format of it. Like, I mean, hers is like, I've always liked Kareena Kapoor as a performer, as a she's very easy on the eyes. I mean, such a beautiful lady, right? So, but it's nice how her chat show is so engaging. It's like, it's exactly the kind of questions you would want to ask a celebrity. She's asking them. So I think maybe because since she's a celebrity herself, she kind of knows. You know it's really nice. You all should check out What Women Want. I'm sure it's such a popular channel, right? But it's such a popular thing. But hats off, yeah. Kareena Kapoor is and apparently she reads every comment. I found that very sweet. But seriously, What Women Want, Kareena Kapoor is one of my favorite shows on YouTube. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.